ABC 7 Eyewitness News at 5 starts right now.
Breaking news here at 5. Elgin police releasing that video showing the traffic stop that ended in the police shooting death of a woman who set her car on fire on I-90. That was 10 days ago. Illinois State Police now investigating that use of deadly force.
Well, the Elgin police chief said that his department worked quickly to make this video public for the sake of transparency. And he acknowledged that the family of DeCynthia Clements is hurting and needs answers. She was shot to death after pursuit and an hour-long standoff. Chief Jeffrey Swoboda said that they had someone on the scene who was trained in negotiations, but then Clements set her car on fire.
The intention, I'm sure, was to sit out there and negotiate as long as we could. The fire appeared to really have to change the officers' tactics, and how they then responded was how each of those officers are going to have to answer.
Police said Clements was armed with a knife when she got out of the car.
The victim's family tonight is reacting to that video. Eyewitness News reporter Stacey Baca is live in Elgin with that part of the story. Stacey.
And Ellen, Illinois State Police will actually determine whether or not the use of deadly force is justified. In the meantime, though, it is really the court of public opinion today. The police department releasing that video. A shortened, edited version was shown to the family and some community members. The critical moments leading up to her death, the family of DeCynthia Clements watched an edited version at the Elgin Police Department.
It was like murder. Watch that video, you know, somebody coming at you is one thing, but she fell out that car and they started shooting her.
After everybody see the video and see for themselves, now it's just not an angry family demanding justice.
The family watched an edited version of 30 hours of police footage. Their attorneys are ready to scrutinize every minute.
The killing of Cynthia Clements was unjustified. She was killed as a result of deadly force. That was not necessary.
Along with the family, police showed this footage to clergy members and concerned community members.
And I watched the entire thing, and all the way up to the end. I couldn't watch anymore. Once I saw how it ended, it just was too much for me.
And now some Elgin council members want an independent outside review of police procedures, policies, and focus on changes they say must be made.
Guns did not need to be used to de-escalate this situation.
There should have been a different way to handle this situation, and there wasn't. So we have to do better.
Some Elgin clergy members agree.
It could have been handled differently, we think. But we're not police officers. We're civilian.
Still others applaud the department for sharing the video just 10 days after the shooting.
We appreciate, the transparency. That's one thing. We appreciate that. Taking the time to meet with us, the family, the community leaders.
And this is a live look outside the Elgin Police Department right now. There are about 25, 30 people who have gathered yelling justice for Cynthia. Now, the Illinois State Police are looking as part of the investigation into all of this. They're going to forward their findings to the Cook County State's Attorney. After that is complete, the Elgin Police Chief says that they will look at their own department as well. And again, that's what the city council members, they want that to be an outside investigator who actually comes into the department. In the meantime, the lieutenant who fired the 3 deadly shots remains on paid administrative leave. That is the very latest tonight in Elgin. I'm Stacey Baca, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.